Sanitization of Nigeria's financial sector has been taking shape with the Apex Bank's directive to restrict all Tier 1 bank accounts without BVN, as over 91 million bank accounts face deactivation. In this report, Nuel Samson speaks to a financial sector expert on the impact of the CBN directive while gauging the views of the public.
At least 91 million accounts risk deactivation due to non-compliance with regulatory requirements. The central bank has over the years decried irregularities in the financial sector which are undermining financial services in the country. So what are Tier 1 accounts and how will this move address the gaps in the industry? Ida Balade is a former banker turned economist. He says the current drive will have a positive impact on the database of Nigeria's financial sector.
Tier 1 accounts are accounts that were introduced during the financial inclusion drive of the Central Bank of Nigeria to ensure that every Nigerian is banked. And the Tier 1 accounts are used to reach the unbanked because it has minimal verification capacities. So deactivating 91 unprofitable probably now accounts, because the bank, when the accounts are deactivated, the bank will not be able to make transactions on them, talk less of making any profit from it. So it's going to definitely affect the banking sector and the banks that those accounts are domiciled. It's going to cause losses to them, and it's also going to put a clog in the wheel of the financial inclusion plan of the Central Bank of Nigeria. I'm sure that the main reason for this linkage of the BVN, the bank verification number, and the national identity number is to ensure that transactions and owners of accounts can be easily traced and their data can be easily accessed.
Speaking to Trust TV News, some FCT residents shared their experiences while attempting to link their BVN NIN to their bank accounts.
They passed through a lot of stress, but I heard a lot of people say actually share their experiences with them. Actually but for me it was stressful. The process was, let me say, smooth, but you have to join a very long queue. So when I went to Access Bank, I joined a very long queue at Zenith Bank. The GTB2, I have to wait for more than 24 hours for them to send individual numbers to my phone number to allow me to link the account.
Nigerians remain optimistic about the goal of the BVN, NIN, and bank account linkages as the Apex Bank doubles down on addressing the gaps in the financial sector. Despite hitches experienced so far, the push to regularize and uphold industry standards remain paramount to the calculations of the CBN. Nuel Samson, Trust TV News, Abuja.